Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to improve your Indeed profile. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up Indeed, guys, you will be greeted by this homepage right here where you can see you can search for a job and so on. So guys, to be able to update and improve our profile, first we need to go ahead and sign into your account. So we can do that by clicking the sign in button that's going to appear right here in the upper right corner. Click on sign in and then you can go ahead and either create a new account if you do not have one already or log into an existing account. So after logging in, you'll be back at this home page right here, which is the main page. And now we can get started with updating and improving our profile. So guys, there is a couple of very easy steps that we need to do that's going to make our profile stand out. So the first thing we need to do, guys, is click on our profile icon right here in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon and this is going to open up this new menu, drop down menu with multiple options. And you want to go ahead and select the first option right here, which is called profile. Click on profile guys, and this is now going to open up this new menu where you can see in this page you can enter in all of your profile info. So guys, there are a couple of steps that you can do. The first thing is to make sure you have uploaded a resume. So you want to either upload a resume right here directly from your PC. This is the most recommended option. Or if you do not have a resume, you can build an Indeed resume right here by clicking this option and then just going through the steps that you need to do to be able to build your Indeed and giving them all of your info. So guys, after doing that, now you can look down below where you can see improve your job matches. So you can guys go ahead and click on the qualifications tab right here. And here you can manage all of your qualifications. If you have some skills or maybe licenses, certifications, language knowledge, doesn't matter. You can add all of that here. All of this is going to help your recruiter when finding you for a job. So you can even manage your job preferences. You can select what you want, what kind of job you want. You can select what kind of job titles you're looking for. If you're ready for relocation, remote work, pay, and so on. So you can manage all of these options, add as many info as you can to all of these sections, and after that your profile is going to be complete and you'll have an easier time finding jobs. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.